Good evening. My name is Javier Espinosa, and this is my presentation of how much wetlands are worth. Today is November 18th, 2018, and this is for EVSP 417 Conservation Biology at AMU. Today I will be discussing wetlands, what they are and what their value is. Wetlands by definition are areas where water covers the soil or is present near the surface of the soil for most of the year. Wetlands support both aquatic and terrestrial organisms, all of which have adapted to the water levels. There are different types of wetlands divided into two categories: coastal or tidal, and inland or non-tidal wetlands. Coastal or tidal wetlands are found where seawater mixes with fresh water, so the salinity creates a harsh environment for most plant life. But certain grasses, shrubs, and trees have adapted to the environment, such as mangroves. Inland wetlands are most common in the floodplains of rivers and along lakes and ponds. They include a lot of swamps with shrubs and even wooded swamps with trees. The value of wetlands comes from the benefits that it provides to the environment and or the people, neither of which are easily measured. To assess the value of wetlands, there are a variety of methods. Most involved assigning a numerical value to the land based on questions like how important is the function of this wetland, or how valuable is a product such as timber fish of this wetland, or how does the function benefit society. One evaluation technique is called the WET, or Wetland Evaluation Technique, and this was developed in 1983. It looks at the physical, chemical, and biological aspects of a specific wetland and assigns a numerical value to the multiple areas such as groundwater discharge, flood flow alteration, sediment stabilization, sediment retention, wildlife diversity, recreation, and uniqueness. Another evaluation method is the Environmental Monitoring Assessment Program Wetlands, EMAP, developed in 1988 to assess the condition of wetlands, including the evaluation of the plant and animal communities in the wetland and other quality improvements. Finally, a third method of evaluation is the hydrogeomorphic approach, developed in 1990. This method is used to assess physical, chemical, and biological functions of wetland, similar to WET, but is intended to simplify and improve the process. In this method, local wetland scientists identify the functions of a wetland and use field tests and data to compile a report. Wetlands provide a variety of value to society and the environment. They sustain large numbers of plants, animals, and species. They improve water quality through natural filtration, reduce erosion, reduce flooding, and they are also beautiful nature locations to hike, paddle, observe wildlife. Wetland evaluation is related to conservation biology because the aim of conservation biology is to protect species, their habitats, and ecosystems on planet Earth. Evaluating wetlands to show society that they do indeed have considerable worth is a way to keep and protect the wetlands and therefore keep and increase biodiversity and ecosystem.